Okay, so test 6.2a, class 9 maths. Go to textbook page 112. We'll start with the first question, A1. Let me read the question. In a given figure, AB parallels CD. The value of x is, we have to find. So let's draw the figure first. Figure looks something like this. Two lines are there. They are cut by another line as given in the textbook, like this. And we see here is mentioned AB and CD. CD. And the angle here is given as x plus 45 degree, and the angle here, textbook has marked wrongly, okay, it should be here. 3x plus 15 degree. This much is given. So write down given in the figure. Given is AB is parallel to CD. That much only is given. So let us start down. So since we know it's given AB parallel to CD as given in the question, we have learned this in the previous class, that two interior angles on the same side of transversal are called co-interior angles also. Or yeah, so we can write here those two angles. X plus 45, the first interior angle on the right side of this transversal, plus the second angle 3x, these two angles plus 15 degree are called co-interior angle, and the sum is 180 degree. We learned this theorem in the previous class. So we write here, we know sum of we can write in short, allowed interior angles when the lines are parallel is always equal to 180 degree. The sum of the two interior angles on the same side of the transversal, which are called co-interior angles, when you put together will always be 180. We know this theorem from the previous class, right? That implies here x plus 45 degree plus x plus 45 degree plus 3x plus 15. You can remove the bracket now. 15 degree is equal to 180 degree. X plus 3x is 4x plus these two, 45 plus 15 is 60 degree, 180 degree. So if just put the term containing x on one side, 180 also on the same side, shift this plus 60 become minus 60 degree. So 4x will be equal to 120 degree when you subtract these two. So x will be 120 degree, by this 4 will come down. So 4 3s are 12, 0. So x value is 30 degree. So the answer choice that match this one is multiple choice this D, which is 30 degree. First question. Then A2, let us go to A2. Let me read the question for us. In the given figure, L parallel to M and N parallel to M. Find the value of x. Again we have to find. So let's draw the diagram. One line is given, two line is given, three line is given. And these three lines are cut by a line in this manner, by a transversal, that means. And the line here is L, this is M, denoted by small n, the whole line. Then this value is given as 2x, and this given value is given as 4x. So draw it likewise on your notebook. Okay. Write down given values are L parallel to M and N parallel to M. N parallel, only that much is given. We have to find x. So here now, since L is parallel to M as it is given, and also N is parallel to M as it is given, therefore last class we discussed, if two different lines are parallel to the same line M, L parallel to M, N also parallel to M, so both these two lines are parallel to the same line, then they themselves will be parallel to each other. So we write here L also can be parallel to N, and we write here the reason, since lines parallel to, which are parallel, exact language of the theorem is lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to them, to each other, are parallel to each other, are parallel to each other. We learned this theorem in the last class, that if two different lines are parallel to the same line, those two lines will be parallel to each other. So we got now L parallel to M means these two lines are parallel, L parallel to N. Then this here, see here, 2x and 4x here are co-interior. So we write here 2x plus 4x, these two angles will be equal to 180 degree, because we know sum of co-interior angles always equal to 180 degree. The interior, these two lines we're taking, interior angles which are parallel, the lines are parallel, then interior angles on the same side of the transversal, which are called co-interior angles, the two sum of those two on the same side of transversal, interior angles will be 180. We used it just now also. So this is 6x, 2x plus 4x, 6x equal to 180 degree. X will be therefore 180 degree by 6. 3 is 18, so 30 degree. Therefore, the answer choice is matching this one. Second one is C, which is again 30 degree. Let's go to 3. A3. Let's see that. In the given figure, L parallel to M, then 1 and 8 are equal because of what reason? Alternate, vertically opposite, corresponding ladder choices. So let us discuss this by drawing a diagram first. So two lines are here parallel, like this. They are parallel to each other, cut by a transversal. Then these are mentioned as small m, n. This small l, or also double, they have double mentioned it, a, b also. So anyway you can take it. There was no need to double mention, I think, but they double mentioned it. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just writing it in my own way like the text. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5, 6, 7, and 8. Like this is good. So draw it properly without making mistake. So here, given on your notebook, draw this and write this, because you need explanation, right? For exam, you have to understand. So here, M is parallel to N. That much is given. Then angle 2 is equal to angle 8. What are they? Let us check. 2 equal to 8. 1 equal to 8, sorry. Angle 1 equal to 8. So these two lines are parallel means, what are they? 1 and 8. Which are, what do you call them? Corresponding angles. That's why they're equal. Therefore, the answer choice. See here, 1 above, 8 above, on the same side, corresponding. 3 and 5 corresponding. 2 and 7 corresponding. So here 1 and 8 are equal because the lines are parallel. The reason is they are corresponding angles. So the answer choice that matches this one is found in C. Corresponding, because they are corresponding. If you want to write in full, then corresponding angles. But like this is allowed, short form. Okay. Then A4. Let's go to A4. A4. Let me read the question. In the figure, if L is parallel to M, the value of X is how much? So let's just draw the diagram first, because that will make us clear. On your notebook, follow me and draw the same thing. L parallel to M, mentioned clearly. There is a transversal cutting these two parallel lines. Angle here is 60 degree. Angle here is X. We have to find this X. So let us write down given L is parallel to M. Only that much is given. X value you have to find out. So since L parallel to M, these two lines clearly parallel. So let us do like this. Maybe we can just do here like this. Put here 1. There are many ways to do this, okay? But many ways by which you can do this, but let us do this way. 1, put it yourself, okay? So you write here, angle 1 will be equal to 60 degree. Or you can just write there, okay, put it yourself here. 2. Angle 1 will be equal to 2. Since they are vertically, we learned this in the last class, vertically opposite angles are always equal. When two lines cut, these are vertically opposite. So these two are equal. That is, angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, both of them will be equal to 60 degree. Let's put this one as equation 1. So if you got 1, then you can just write here, 1 plus angle x will be 180 degree, because we know that when the lines are parallel, sum of co-interior angles are always equal to 180 degree. See here, two interior angles on the same side of transversals, co-interior angles. So that gives you here angle 1 is 60 degree, as you can see here, plus x, angle x 180 degrees, since using equation number 1. So that implies angle x 180 degree, plus will go that side, minus 60 degree, so that will be 120 degrees. So the answer choice, this match, this one is B. So that is 120 degree. Hope you're getting it. You can do it like this also and make it alternate also. Same thing only, but I've done this way, okay? You can do by any method you like. Next, the last question, A5. You read the question. In the figure, P parallel to Q, then 1 plus 2 must be how much? So let us write down. Line is there. Like this, like this. These two are parallel, it seems, which are P small and Q, this whole line. This is angle 1, this is angle 2. So here, given to us is P is parallel to Q, then 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to how much we have to find. So we write down here, since P is parallel to Q as it is given in the question, therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree, because they are interior angles, it is two lines parallel, inside angles on the same side of the transversal. So we write here, since we know from our previous class, sum of co-interior angles equal to 180 degree when the lines are parallel. So the answer choice that matches D, which is having 180 degree. This concludes the portion for test 6.2a. Now go and give the test. Please read the instructions carefully, okay? Because some of you are making mistakes because you don't read the instructions, and follow the instructions clearly. It's quite easy. Okay.